You were in the red, didn't you? That's a no turn on red. Oh, hi there. How you doing? How many seconds did that save you? Stop! Jesus. Sob hole. Whoop. Fuck! Clean off your damn camroid. Stop at the stop sign. Hi, yield. Thank you. Ben's hole. Mass hole. Eat. Still cut off. Toyota direction left lane. I don't think he has a blinker on either. Ew! Two-turd. Do you on the red? Okay, you're close enough. You're close enough. Thank you. Good, get lost. Oh, you bastard. You're holding us up here. What are you... What the fuck? Go, you nitwit! Good. Stop sign, stop sign, there's a stop sign. Okay. Tough guy truck. Hey, hi. Yeah, well, I guess I don't get a choice in the matter, do I? High beam's necessary at this time of the day. No. Go ahead, run the red, I dare ya. Run the red, go ahead, I dare ya. Yeah, you did. Sorry. Run the red! Please wait until I get by. Please wait until I get by. Jesus. There's nobody behind me, you shithead! That wasn't a stop, Ann. so fucking much. Zip a merge, you asshole. In the red. That. Exit dive. Exit dive. Fucking idiot. Mazda. Go, dummy, go. For God's sakes, learn how to drive. Ah, yeah. Stop sign, thank you. Don't run it, don't run it. You're in it. Turd, Texas.